In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Teachable Machine to build an image classifier. Start by opening your browser and heading to Teachable Machine. On the welcome screen, choose the Image Project option. This tells the tool we're working with pictures rather than audio or poses. For this walkthrough, select the standard image model. It's the default choice and works well for most beginner image classification tasks without extra configuration. You'll see a workspace with placeholder classes. For the first class, click Upload, choose the images that represent that category, and click Open. Aim for a clean, representative set. Include a variety of angles, lighting conditions, and backgrounds, so the model learns what truly defines your subject rather than just the scene around it. A balanced dataset is key, so try to avoid near duplicates and blurry shots. As a general tip, more diverse examples usually lead to a more reliable model. Next, do the same for the second class. Click Upload, select your images for that category, and click Open. Keep the two classes roughly even in image count. If one class has many more images than the other, the model can become biased and favor the larger set. With both classes populated, click Train. Teachable Machine will process your images and build the classifier. This can take a moment depending on how many photos you uploaded and your computer's resources. During training, the tool is learning patterns that distinguish your two categories, such as shapes, textures, and color arrangements. When training finishes, click Export Model. This packages your trained model so you can use it outside the Teachable Machine interface. Finally, choose the format that fits how you plan to use the classifier. For example, pick a web-friendly option to run it in the browser, a mobile-ready option for on-device apps, or a format suitable for server-side or Python workflows. Confirm your choice, and Teachable Machine will generate the files and instructions you need to integrate the model into your project. That's it. You've built an image classifier, trained it, and exported it so you can put it to work wherever you need.